Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Comprehension. Health researchers increasingly emphasize that physical exercise plays a critical role in mental well-being. Beyond reducing stress and anxiety, regular activity has been linked to improved memory, emotional regulation, and resilience against depression. This paragraph best supports the statement that A. Exercise benefits only emotional health. B. Mental health improvements are unrelated to physical activity. C. Exercise contributes to multiple aspects of mental functioning. D. Stress reduction is the sole benefit of exercise. The correct answer is letter C. Exercise contributes to multiple aspects of mental functioning. The passage lists several mental health benefits, not just one. Did you get it right?